Here, let us see question number 8 of exercise 8.1 from the chapter Trigonometry. The topic is Trigonometric Ratios. Question has been taken from NCERT book of standard 10. Here, question is, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Is it existing or not? We have to check it. Okay, so let us see. Solution is very important, very interesting. You know, in any right angle triangle, suppose this is angle A, this is angle B, angle C, right angle at angle C. We know with respect to this angle A, BC is perpendicular, adjacent side AC is base, and the longest side AB is hypotenuse. Correct? Here given that 3 cot A is equal to 4, or we can write cot A is equal to 4 by 3. And we have already discussed that cot of A is equal to base by perpendicular. So by comparing these two ratios, the values of cot A, we can write therefore B is equal to means AC. AC is equal to how much? 4K. Because if cot A is 4 by 3, this can also be written as 4K upon 3K. Because these are ratios, 4 by 3 is a ratio, these are not the absolute values of base and perpendicular. So by multiplying the common factor K, we are assuming that base is 4K and perpendicular is 3K. Perpendicular, which is BC, is equal to 3K. We are considering these values of base and perpendicular. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to find out the value of H. Then only we will be able to find cos A and sin A. Because cos A is equal to B by H and sin A is equal to P by H. So H will be required here. And we can find out H. H means here AB. So by Pythagoras theorem, this can be written as B square plus P square. And B square means 4K whole square plus P square is 3K whole square. This is equal to root over 16K square plus 9K square. So we are getting here H is equal to AB is equal to square root of 25K square. Taking square root, this is 5K. Correct? Now we can find out value of tan A, cos A, sin A very easily. Correct? So let us see here left hand side. Left hand side is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. This is equal to 1 minus, tan is perpendicular by base. So this is P by B whole square and 1 plus P by B whole square. Correct? So this is 1 minus P by B will be how much? P is 3K and B is 4K. This whole square and here 1 plus 3K by 4K whole square. This is equal to 1 minus 9K square by 16K square, and here in denominator 1 plus 9K square upon 16K square. Let us simplify it. Here in numerator, this is 16K square minus 9K square by 16K square, and here 16K square plus 9K square by 16K square. Here 16K square will be cancel out. And 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So this is 7k square upon 16 plus 9 is 25k square. K square is cancel out, isn't it? So we are getting value of LHS is equal to how much? This is 25, sorry. This is 25. So this is LHS is 7 by 25. Now let us find out right hand side. Here right hand side is cos²A minus sin²A. Cos²A minus sin²A. And cos²A is, cos is b by h whole square minus p by h whole square, correct? B by h is 4k by 5k. 4k by 5k whole square minus p by h is 3k by 5k whole square. 3k by 5k, this will not be square here. 3k by 5k whole square. Let us simplify it. So this is 16k square by 25k square minus 9k square by 25k square. So by taking LCM and simplifying, here also we are getting 7k square by 25k square. K square will be cancelled out. So 7 by 25. So here we are getting, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. It means 1 minus tan A square upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Answer is yes. These are equal. This is the answer. Very simple, but question is very important and very interesting, isn't it? So hope you have understood it, and we have to see some more important questions in other videos. So please remain in touch with these videos, and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please share these videos with your friends also. All the best.